Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read Daniel Tiger's Safe Splashing. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and Daniel Tiger is feeling excited. He heard that there is something new about Trolley. My dad and I are going for a walk to see if any of our neighbors know what's new about Trolley. You can come too, Daniel says. On their walk, Daniel sees Jody playing with a handmade paper dragonfly. Dragonflies are my favorite bug, Jody says. I didn't know that, Daniel replies. He sings, I like learning something new about you. Jody wonders what's new about Trolley. Maybe Trolley can fly like a dragonfly, she guesses. Jody imagines she is flying with Trolley. Daniel and Dad Tiger continue their walk. There's something new about Trolley. I wonder what it could be. Won't you, Speedy, walk with me? Won't you, Speedy, walk with me? They see O the owl painting with his new wings outside of the tree house. O shows Daniel how he dips his wing in the paint, and then he drips the paint onto the paper. That looks tiger-tastic. I didn't know you could paint like this. Daniel sings, I like learning something new about you. The red and yellow painting looks like Trolley. I wonder if Trolley is painted new colors, he says. He imagines if he is painting Trolley all different colors. Daniel and Dad continue their walk to look for Trolley. As they pass a music shop, Daniel hears some music. Does that sound like Trolley, he asks. Let's go find out, says Dad Tiger. Inside the music shop, they discover that the music is coming from Miss Elena's ukulele. Miss Elena plays a song for Daniel and his dad. I didn't know you could play the ukulele, said Dad Tiger. Daniel sings, I like learning something new about you. Miss Elena wonders if the Trolley can play music too. She imagines she is playing music in space with the Trolley. Daniel finds Chrissy and Prince Wednesday waiting for Trolley. What do you think is new about Trolley? Daniel asks. Maybe Trolley has a new light that's purple, exclaims Prince Wednesday. Or maybe Trolley is covered in flowers, adds Chrissy. The rest of Daniel's friends arrive, and they call out to Trolley. They listen for Trolley's familiar ding ding. Suddenly, they hear ding ding and Trolley pulls up. Everyone is so excited to find out what is new. Can you fly like a dragonfly? Asks Jody. Are you going to change your colors? Asks O the owl. Are you going to play us music? Asks Miss Elena. Just then, the base of the Trolley inflates and a paddle wheel comes out the back. Trolley has turned into a boat. Trolley can turn into a boat? That's new and tiger-tastic, exclaims Daniel. All the friends sing, I like learning something new about you. Everyone is excited to go for a boat ride, but first it's important to put on your life vest to be safe while on the boat. Dad Tiger helps Daniel put on his vest. After everyone puts on their life vests, they board the boat and buckle their seatbelts. Trolley, please take us for a boat ride, says Dad Tiger. Trolley sets off into the water. It's a beautiful boat ride on Trolley, everyone sings. Trolley showed us something new. We're on a boat at sea. Won't you float along with me? Won't you float along with me? Ding, ding. Suddenly, Daniel hears something splashing in the water. It's a dolphin. Tiger-tastic. Daniel cheers. He's never seen a dolphin before. Everyone watches in awe as the dolphin jumps and splashes next to the boat. When the boat ride is over, Trolley takes them back to shore. Here we are, back on land. Thanks, Trolley, says Dad Tiger. The boat ride was terrific, says Daniel. There's so much to see and hear when you're on a boat at sea. When they are back on land, Trolley transforms into regular Trolley. I'm so glad we learned something new about Trolley and our friends too, says Daniel. I wonder what new things you can learn about your friends. Ugga mugga. The end. Thank you for reading with us playing Discover Kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play Discover, Sister and Brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.